Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached out in his first leg visit of two leg visit, that is first France and second USA. In France, it was a significant role by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi because here signed some agreement that's specially for nuclear fusion and as well as maritime connectivity. Both are very vital, crucial for India because just some days ago, Chinese they are demonstrate a nuclear sun also. So that's the nuclear fusion. So Chinese have nuclear fusion energy as well as America have nuclear fusion energy. So must India need nuclear fusion energy. In this context, Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached out to France just a sign of nuclear fusion and as well as some another concern, that is maritime activity and another deal. You know, from USA as well as from China, both countries are being nuclear fusion power, but India have not till now. In this context, India little bit concerned, and Chinese and USA both are not trusted. That's the main factor. Donald Trump is the very much allies with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but Donald Trump is not more reliable for any country because Donald Trump only thinks about business, not the friendship. So in this context, Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached out to France before USA. That's the very big achievement as well as a big diplomacy coming from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, emerged from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So that's the project. It's a international thermonuclear experimental reactor. That's ITER. ITER project. Here visit Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well as the President of France, Macron. So both are the visit. Here actually in India, 7 countries. According to including to India, 7 countries are the member of ITER. It's the largest experiment effort. Actually, nuclear fusion is a green energy, clean green energy, where have zero emission. That's why nuclear fusion are most important in our present daily life. Solar energy also zero fusion, but solar energy not till more powerful, but in this context in nuclear fusion are more powerful in any our energy. So in this context here unlimited energy, and that's why reached out Prime Minister Narendra Modi, welcome to ITCR director, and he is very appreciated speech. Here 500 mega unit power are being emerged from this ITER. It's basically the nuclear fusion is a plasma burning process, whereas emerge the energy. 200 Indians are there, 200 scientists as well as associated are there. There is many Indian company are being involved. There is L&T, there is Inox India, TCS, ACL. So this type of company are being involved in there. So that's the very powerful unit are being constructed for future. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi brief about this discussion. He spoke out that not only India but also benefited many countries because India, Middle East, Europe corridor. This corridor will be used to nuclear fusion energy. So which country deployed this corridor? Every country are being benefited for this nuclear fusion energy. Spoke by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So it's and speak about another thing, that is shipping, port operation, supply chain management, and warehouse future collaboration with India Middle East economic corridor. So that's type of speech Prime Minister Narendra Modi give out in there. And in this context, USA and Chinese also little bit concerned because USA, Donald Trump, he trying to hit out for some days to India. Before Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached out to US, and that can be a negotiation on a table. In this context, USA Donald Trump he hurled the allegation to the India and increase its tariff and as well as decline its honor when reached out 104 immigration to send back India with handcraft and lecture to trying to diminish, trying to dishonor India, and so that Prime Minister Modi reached out to US and sit to table a good negotiation. That's the tactics of Donald Trump. But Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he is a Gujarati also. He have some diplomacy. That's not to pick up in short time. You can understand it broadly when you think about that. Prime Minister Modi's strategy and very big and very not being vulnerable like Donald Trump. So that's the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So there have some agreement, so especially for nuclear fusion, and after that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will go to USA. There have some jamjamat adda with Donald Trump, but Donald Trump will little bit set back by Prime Minister Modi reached out to France and signed to nuclear deal. So that's the happen. So thank you. Visit again. Click the like button and also as subscriber button so that you can get more video. Thank you.